Dear students, good afternoon. Today we are going to learn about electric current. That is what concept of an electric current as lesson 1 of my lecture. That is under the basic electrical engineering unit. My channel is electrical engineering tutorial by Professor Dr. Sardar Ali. I request you all, please subscribe my channel and encourage me for running my channel smoothly, popularly. Under the topic of concept of an electric current, we must know that how the electric current produces. Basically, electric current is not having any existence. If at all if it is having any existence, we can go to market, buy in the basket, we can utilize it. It is not like that. It is understood that electric current is the movement of the smallest particle of an element. That is what electron. Now let's start the basic theory with the electrons. It means you must know that from where the electrons we are going to get. You know better that the materials in the universe, they are composed of atoms. And atom is what actually you should understand first of all. Atom is the fundamental particle of an element which cannot be subdivided further or it should not be destructed further. It was the ancient and old theory. Number of scientists they work on that. Ultimately, Niels Bohr and Rutherford's theory of atomic structure, it has proved that atom is not a fundamental particle of an element, but its lightest particle, that is, the electron, will be the fundamental particle of an element. So you can consider the atomic structure of any material, say copper, aluminium, gold, silver, or anything. Go on breaking it to the smallest particle which should not be visible by the naked eyes. You should be able to see with the help of microscope or very sensitive instruments. That is called as the atom. But the theory of Niels Bohr and Rutherford said that it can be destructed into three basic particles, that is proton, neutron and electrons. Protons, you know that they are having the positive charge. Electrons, they are having the negative charge, whereas the neutron is having no charge at all. But common sense says that positive polarity will be repelling each other. Negative polarity and negative polarity will be also repelling each other. But positive and negative polarity will be attracting each other. So it means positive polarity proton and electron should be combined together at the central place, which is called as the nucleus, but not like that. Why? Why? Because the nature is helping here, nature. Khudrati, what you call it. Proton and neutron, they are occupying the central place, and electrons will be revolving around the nucleus into fixed elliptical orbit depending upon their atomic number, atomic weight, etc. That is the basic theory of atomic structure. That you can go through the periodic table, you can have the clear idea. That is not our motto. Our motto is how the current will be producing from the atom. Now you see, these orbits will be having the definite force of attraction towards the nucleus. Why? Because they are revolving around the nucleus resembling the solar system. In the solar system, Sun will be at the central place. 9 planets will be revolving around the Sun having the definite force of attraction toward the sun. If any planet will be having these disturbances, if the you must know that there is the difference in the force of attraction of that particular planet towards the sun. Like that here also, this definite force of attraction is involved here. As the distance between the orbit and the nucleus is going on increasing, force of attraction will be decreasing. So it is said that the electrons in the innermost orbit will be having maximum force of attraction, which are called as the bound electrons. And the electrons which are in the ultimately outermost orbit will be having minimum force of attraction towards the nucleus. They are called as the free electrons. These free electrons only are responsible to produce the electricity. So ultimately you can define the electric current like the continuous flow of free electrons through the medium under the influence of an external force or source is called as an electric current. This is one definition. And current, of course, it will be designated with the letter I. But the initial of the current word is starting with C. So you can ask me, why sir, why we are not taking C as the current, why we are taking I as the current? Because here the valued intensity of the flow of electrons as the definite quantity of the flow of electrons, its intensity is counted, that's why it is taken as I, the intensity of the electric current, that only is taken as the letter as the electric current. Can also be defined as rate of flow of charge, which will be measured in coulomb per second. Why? Because the unit of coulomb charge is coulomb and time is measured in second. So therefore the unit of current has become coulomb per second. So some thesis drawbacks will be further advanced by, those are advanced by Mr. Ampere. That's why the unit of current has become as ampere. Thank you very much.